Congratulations on purchasing your new Ram 1500. With this video, we hope to help you get to know your vehicle a little bit more. We're going to start off by putting the vehicle in accessory mode. We do that by just pressing it once. If you want to turn on the vehicle completely, press it once while holding the brake with your foot. We will start to the left of the steering wheel, where we have the different light controls, as well as the parking brake and the button to adjust your pedals if you want them to be more forward or go more back. On the door we have the window and mirror controls, as well as the memory power seat function. Moving on to the steering wheel, we have this pad which controls the gauge cluster. You have up and down arrows and left to right, and you can press OK if you want to select something. To use cruise control, you use the right side of the steering wheel. You can increase your speed, decrease your speed, reset, cancel, and set to current speed. This is your normal cruise control, and this is your adaptive cruise control. This button makes the distance between the car in front of you bigger. This makes the distance closer, and this sets the current distance. This button on the steering wheel picks up phone calls if your phone is connected via Bluetooth, and here you can decline or hang up phone calls, and this activates the voice commands. Moving on to the gear limit button, this limits the gears which the vehicle will use. This can be useful during towing.